poster presents findings of a field study that focused on understanding DIY and making practices in low socioeconomic status communities. It aims to provide a nuanced view on DIY involving a group of economically struggling individuals that is not well aligned with the traditional narratives. And it highlights the societal and economic factors that influenced specific types of DIY activities. We conducted semi-structured interviews with 9 participants from low socioeconomic status communities who were actively involved in DIY and making. Two specific themes emerged from our data analysis: sustainable and economic living and social and community well-being. The two main conclusions of this poster are: making is strongly habituated in economic and societal structures, and making in low socioeconomic status communities is driven by as much their needs as it is driven by their creativity.